Hello happy souls, today's video is about replacing the mirrors in a Splendor bike. The price details and the tools details are mentioned in the description below, and I am Tamizh Iyanthiran. The price costs ₹110. Take a mirror assembly and tighten it in clockwise direction. Rotate it till the end. With a 14 mm spanner, hold the lower part and loosen the upper part. The upper part rotates in anti-clockwise direction and the lower part rotates in clockwise direction. So tighten till the end and adjust it till it meets the end. After positioning, tight both the nuts in opposite direction, that is the lower one in clockwise direction and the upper one in anti-clockwise direction. Position the covers and position the rubber grips. These rubber grips are used to reduce the vibration. The other mirror is little loose and while riding it goes on, so take a screwdriver and tighten it.